Hello there, and welcome to our communication module. We last left off by focusing on saving source material to our computer. This included documents, PowerPoints, and spreadsheets. We learned that when we save something to our computer, it is a lot like giving our computer a set of directions as to where we want to save our material. And so today I want to teach you how to take a saved file from your computer, attach it to an email, and send it. For this lesson, I'm assuming that you are using your school email for which Gmail is affiliated. Because there are so many different email providers to choose from, I will highlight some of the differences of how it could look with other emails. I am going to be using a Mac, so some of the steps might look different where if you're using a PC, in which case I will be sure to point out the differences. To start the process, I am going to open up the Google Chrome extension, which I've already done. Google Chrome is a requirement for this course, so I'm assuming that you will be using it for this activity. I'm now going to select Gmail. The first step in attaching a product to an email is to create a new email. To do this, you're going to select the Compose button. In other email companies, it might be titled New, or there might be a plus icon in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. It could also be in the center of your screen, as I am highlighting right here. But for now, please select the Compose button. You can see there are many blanks we need to fill out. We have the To button. This tells us to whom we are sending the email. Next, we have the subject line. This tells the recipient what the email is about. Then you have the body, which you will write the content of the email, much like you would in writing a letter. Regardless of the service provider, this information will look the same. This week I'm going to be attaching the PowerPoint that we made last week to an email. Notice that up until this point in the lesson, I've been referring to this action as attaching. And while this is in essence what we are doing, there is another word we can use to describe it: upload. To upload something means to take a file from your computer and put it somewhere else, like the internet. Click on the paperclip button located at the bottom of your screen. With some other email service providers, it might be seen as the word attach or new. It might also be located on the left-hand portion of your screen, or it might be located right underneath the title of your email. This search bar tells you every file available on your computer. Much like when we saved our product, we are now going to give the computer a set of directions to help us find the file we want to attach. I'm going to click on the Introduction to Computers file. Next, I'm going to click on Sample Presentation Final. On a Mac, I can see the title of the file in full. If I'm using a PC, you will be able to see the full file name in the bottom portion of the pop-up screen. Select the word Open. If uploading means to take something from your computer and put it somewhere else, then the word download means to take something from the internet or another place and put it on your computer. It is the opposite of uploading. In order to check my work, I am going to download this presentation to double check that I've chosen the correct file. To do this, I am going to double click the file, and you'll notice that it has appeared in the bottom portion of my screen. If you're on a Mac, all you have to do is double click it. If you are on a PC, though, you'll see the words Open or Save. We are simply going to select the word Open. I now have the opportunity to review this presentation. As you can see, I am happy with the file and I can now exit out of it. I am now ready to send my email. I'm going to click the Send button. As you can see, I sent the product successfully and have received my email. I am now ready to open the email to download it. This is just my way of double checking my work. For this week, I would like you to send an email with the following: a professional greeting, a message explaining the purpose, questions, and a formal ending. Further, I would like you to attach a file which highlights the steps you took to attach your file to the email. This could be a document, a picture, or a spreadsheet. If you have any questions, you may post them in the Edpuzzle comment section or send them to me in your formal message. You also have my school number, so you may contact me that way as well. Thank you for watching my video, and I look forward to hearing from you all.